Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have been trying to update or change your age on CapCut, you have probably noticed that there is no official date of birth setting inside the app. But do not worry, there is a very simple workaround to display your age on your profile, and today I am going to walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open the CapCut app and make sure you are fully logged into your account. If you are browsing as a guest, you will not have access to these settings. Once you are on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will bring up your personal account dashboard. Right under your username and profile picture, tap on the Edit Profile button. Since CapCut does not give us a dedicated age field, the best and most visible place to add this information is right in your bio. Tap on the Bio section. Now simply type in your age. You can write something like age 25 or format it however you want it to appear to your viewers. After typing it in, tap the Confirm button to save your changes. That is all it takes. Your age will now be proudly displayed on your CapCut profile for anyone who visits your page. If this quick tip helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straight to the point tutorials. See you in the next one.